Hi to all of you who are part of the program. I just want to say congratulations for all the work that you've been doing. Thank you for all that you do for your countries. Thank you for all that you do for the people of Africa. I'm sorry that I'm so informal, but I'm actually traveling at the moment and just coming out of a workshop. You know, we've been doing the PDIA work in many, many places across the world. It certainly isn't a silver bullet that changes everything. But what I love about it is I think it makes us more curious to really learn about what's going on, not just about kind of what potential solutions might exist, to better understand where we are, to better understand who we are, and to empower ourselves to find our own solutions. I see it in country after country and place after place. Wherever I am, what I learn is that there is much more capability everywhere I go, than they think, than I think, than everyone expects. There is much more creativity, there is much more potential for coordination, there is much more potential for success. And I'm sure that that's what you found in the work that you guys have done as well. You know, if we pursue local problems, local solutions to local problems, if we work with our own people, if we work in a systematic, consistent way over a period of time, what I think is that we will find solutions that are amenable to the contextual realities we face, to the capabilities we have, and that allow us to generate new capabilities as we move ahead. So thank you very much to Cabri for asking me to offer some comments. Thank you to all of you for what you do. It really is a privilege to be able to come in with a brief message to your meeting today. Thank you, everybody, and enjoy the rest of the evening.